Today we're going to make yogurt. Now I'm just going to pop a litre of milk. I've got it at 5 minutes on 1A at 70 degrees. So once you've warmed that up, it's safe now to put my probiotics in. We want to mix that probiotic in, but we don't want to blitz it. So we don't want it mixing a lot, just enough. So we're going to turn that on. Enough. So we stop there. Because now we're going to set our yogurt and let it set. So we're going to pop it on 30. We're going to have no turning at all. Okay, so it's not going to mix. So we're moving it away from that to 0 in the middle. And here we're going to put it on for 4 hours. Leave it on. It turns itself off. And then it sits for the rest of the evening or night in the Cook Expert. So when I wake up in the morning, I open it up and, like magic, I have yogurt. Beautiful yogurt out of my Cook Expert.